Everyone, welcome back to another video. This one today, just a short little squat challenge for you. Okay, so we're going to be doing 10 variations of a squat. We're doing 10 reps of each variation. There is one that's a hold, so you're going to be doing that for 10 seconds rather than 10 reps. And basically you're just going to try and rattle these off as quick as you can, time yourself, see how quickly you can do it. The only bit of kit you need for this one is one chair or something to put your foot up on, okay? Simple as that. So before you get into this one, make sure your legs are nice and warm. While you're warming up, make sure you hit subscribe. If you enjoy it, hit the like button. And then comment down below on what time you managed to complete all of these in. Okay, fantastic guys, nice. Hope you enjoyed that last little blast. So, I mean, I kicked the clock over halfway through, which didn't help, but I ended up with 247. So use that as a bit of a benchmark for yourselves. That's a rough time to aim for on those pistols, because they aren't easy. They do use a lot of balance. If you want to, you can use the wall to hold on to, or you can even sit down on a chair. It's up to you, okay? But well done guys for completing that one. See if you can beat your time next time. Stay safe, see you on the next one.